You know, I kind of thought maybe I was done reviewing e-bikes for the winter, although it's only November, not winter time yet. But the opportunity came along to try out this new Windone S16 folding fat tire e-bike. It's a 16-inch tire, and I have it setting in front of a very similar 20-inch bike. I just wanted you to see the comparison in size. I've been wanting something a little bit smaller for some of the smaller people in the family, and I thought this might fit the bill. I'm gonna go get my helmet on and a jacket. We'll take this thing for a ride. Looking forward to it. Well, alrighty then. Yeah, it's cold out. Sure enough. Wow. This thing's supposed to have a 22 mile-an-hour top speed. I'm in pedal assist 1. I'm not pedaling, and I had it up to 25 miles an hour. Plenty of power to get up this hill. Better than some bigger bikes. And that was throttle only. I'll talk to you about pedaling here pretty soon. I'm actually pedaling now. You can probably see my knees. They're just under my chin. This is the kind of bike that does not have the throttle tied to the pedal assist mode. Meaning that no matter which pedal assist level you're in, you're going to get the same speed. Some of them are a certain speed at pedal assist 1 and a certain speed at 2 and 3. This one, like I said, I'm in pedal assist 1 and I was going 25 miles an hour. So it's not limited. What's limited is the motor assist when you're pedaling. So in pedal assist 1, here I'll pedal for a minute. Of course, I'm going down a hill here. Alright, now I'm pedaling. And I get about 12 miles an hour in pedal assist 1. I'll switch to 2, pedaling. Still 12 miles an hour. Pedal assist 3. Alright, now it's picking up. Down the hill again. So 1 and 2 were about 12 miles an hour. That's most likely adjustable in the menu. I'm going up a hill. Now I'm beginning to pedal. I'm going to downshift over here. Okay, now I'm in gear 5. Pedaling in pedal assist 3, I'm going 15 miles an hour. So if I go up to 4, now I'm going about 20 miles an hour, and I can't get to 5 before I have to come to this intersection. Now I don't know if there's anybody behind me, no mirrors. I picked a bad time of day. I don't know what time it is, but it's time for everybody to come home, I guess. This is election day, so I think people are getting their beer and popcorn ready. Watch the election results today. throttling only just to get out of everybody's way. 25 miles an hour. 26. I'm actually speeding in this residential area. See if it's any quieter down here. I probably didn't finish my train of thought on the pedaling. Okay, the pedaling. I think you got the idea. When you're pedaling, the speed assist level you use is in a particular position, like 3. You can go maybe 16, 18, whatever it was. Maybe it was 20 miles an hour in 3. And then if I switch to 4, it'll be a little higher, and then 5 higher than that. Maximum. But if you're using throttle only, it doesn't matter which pedal assist gear you're in. Pedal assist 1, pedal assist 5, you're gonna get the top speed. Throttle only. So the pedaling problem is mine because I've got these short little legs. So like I said, this will handle somebody 4'9" to 6'5". I'm 5'8" now, I guess. That's what they tell me. I used to be 5'10", but now I'm just not. I'm old. And I have to have the seat low so that I can reach the ground, because that's what I like to be able to do. But that puts my knees right under my chin. So somebody with longer legs, not necessarily taller, but longer legs, boy, a lot of traffic out here. Longer legs could do a lot better than I can pedaling. I can pedal, but like I said, my knees are right up here. Boy, and it is responsive. It's quick, it's nimble. It's kind of fun. It is fun. Well, we're just a tiny bit early for the sunset. But that's where it'll be. It's a lot clearer, sunnier here than it is at my house. Alright, just cruising. Oh yeah, this also has, for the first bike I've had, it's this way. Some have a thumb throttle over here on the right, sometimes on the left. And the ones that have a turn throttle, typically, it's this portion right here. I don't know if that's showing on camera, but it's this portion right here, and you turn it with your forefinger and your thumb. And the rest of it is solid. But in this case, it's more like a motorcycle. The whole right grip is the throttle. I think these folks must be waiting for a school bus. I don't know where I can get to. There isn't any traffic. Anyway, so now we've covered pedaling, we've covered pedal assist, we've covered that it's speedy as all get out. Got a little bell. It's got a 5-button controller over here to the left of the bell. We'll go try one other neighborhood. I don't know what time it is, but it's a bad time. Nobody behind me, I'll be over here. That's a pretty steep hill, and that just came right up it. We'll go this way. Now I'm throttle only. Going up a little hill here, not too bad. 18, 19 miles an hour. Well, it's a long hill. It's not real steep, but it's a long hill. 20 miles an hour. Yeah, this is amazing. And I'm actually quite comfortable. Other than the leg issue. But it's just my excuse not to pedal, I guess. I gotta buy myself some gloves. My hands are freezing. Okay, let's try the brakes here. Oh yeah. Not bad for manual brakes. Not bad at all. 16 by 4-inch fat tires. This feels more like a little motorbike than it does a bicycle. Wow, look at it go up these hills like nothing. You see the battery gauge at the top there, still full. We've gone almost 4 miles. We'll go straight ahead here. We don't have to stop for stop signs in this state, but we do have to stop for traffic if we're smart. And I'm pretty smart. I don't think I've ever taken you down here. If I have, it's been a long time. We'll go this way. Oh, I wish I hadn't done that. I don't know where the other road goes. This one goes right to the dang school, I think. Yep, you see the cars out there waiting for the kids. Oh boy, are they ever. Holy cow, did I ever come the wrong way? Holy cow, I'm not sure I can even get out of here. Yeah, that's a dead end. I just knew it. I just knew it. Alright, well, I don't know where this goes. Maybe back where I came from. This does have a front suspension, and along with those fat tires, which I put 18 pounds of air in, the ride is fairly smooth. These are wet leaves here, and you got to be careful on wet leaves, even with fat tires. Well, I'm so glad it's not raining. At least we got that going for us. I just can't find a neighborhood that doesn't have traffic. Well, look at that kind of car. What kind of car is that? What is that black thing? Do you guys know? I think it's something, some kind of special, probably electric. Well, look at that. From a dead stop, gaining speed up a pretty dang steep hill. I'm signaling a left turn here. I hope everybody knows it. I wish I would have gone in front of this car. There we go. Well, I'm gonna go back home. There's just too much traffic out here. It was cloudy all day and I was waiting for some sunshine and finally got it. And now I got traffic. Well, that's something that I wanted to know, and one of the reasons I wanted this bike. It fits into the back seat of my pickup truck without even folding down the handlebars. So I can take this wherever my family's riding, and I've got something to ride, and it's easy peasy. The Windone S16, 16-inch fat tire folding e-bike. It's got a headlight, it's got a tail light with brake light. Got a relatively comfortable seat, at least as comfortable as most. Got that nice color display. It's got your control panel here on the left to increase your pedal assist modes up to 5, down to 1. And if you go to 0, you get no motor assist, you just pedal it like a regular bike. Now we've gone 5.2 miles on this, and it was easy except for all the dang traffic. Here's that full twist throttle. The whole grip turns. It does fold in half. Right here. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm working one-handed and I don't have Kelvin here today. But it does fold in half, and it comes, well, we'll talk about assembly, but it comes folded in the box. The handlebars fold down with that lever right there. They fold all the way down to the left. It's got the Shimano shifter and the 7-speed derailleur, and it has a derailleur guard right here. I don't know why all manufacturers don't put them on. And it's got one of my favorite features, as you can see right there. It's got mag wheels, no spokes. Very nice feature. It does have reflectors on the pedals and on the wheels. Headlight, tail light, brake light. It's got the little bell. It's just, it's like a full-size bike, but smaller, that's all. A little shorter cockpit being from the seat to the handlebars. A little closer together, easier for someone small to ride it, and that's what I had in mind, as well as getting it into the back of my pickup, which now we know is super easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and read you some of the specs for this. It'll go 22 miles an hour is what they say, but I had it up to 25. And it felt like 25. It goes from 28 to 50 miles in distance, depending on how much you're pedaling. Charge time is 6 to 7 hours with the 2-amp charger included. Got a 48-volt, 13-amp-hour battery right there. The battery comes out simply by folding the seat up, unlock it with the key over here, and pull it out of there. So you can take it in the house. You can charge it right where it is, using this terminal here. Either way, your pleasure. It comes with metal fenders, rear rack. I like what they've done with the wiring and cables. Nice and neat, not hanging all over the place like some. Black was the only color available when I ordered it. I'm not sure if it comes in other colors or not. It's got a 500-watt motor with 750-watt peak power. It weighs about 68 pounds. It'll carry 265 pounds. It fits a rider from 4'9" to 6'5". Total length is 61 inches. Handlebars go from 41 to 47 inches high. Minimum seat height is 30.3 inches and the maximum is 36.2 inches. As I said, it came folded in the box. My only installation was to slide the seat post into place, slide the handlebars into place, install the pedals. That was it. Super simple. Took about 10 minutes, if that. So I think it's a really nice bike. You want to know the price? I think right now, $699. I'm told, don't hold me to it, I'm told they're going to have a promotion coming up in mid-November. I'm not sure when this video will air, but look for that promotion. I'll put a link down in the description to this bike. They sell them on Amazon, and they have their own website as well. It did everything I wanted it to do. It actually did more. I couldn't believe how well it handled the hills with that power. 25 miles an hour is what I got out of it. They say 22 miles an hour with a 165-pound rider, and I'm 200 pounds, so there you go. It's a nice bike. I am going to recommend it, especially for that price and size. I feel like I could ride this anywhere. This will easily fit in my motorhome and the back seat of my truck. So there you go. Look for the info in the description. Thanks for watching. New wood turning video tomorrow. So for now, this is Phil, Shady Acres Wood Shop, signing off.